The formation of letter Ha is very simple. Starting off from the height of two nuqtas and with full qalam creating the upper half circle. And then with the help of the tip of the qalam, we will complete the other half of the circle, touching the line and joining to the point from where we started. Its total height will be of two nuqtas. If we want to use the letter Ha in the end, we will draw it with the tip of the qalam. The shape of the letter Ha will be nearly identical to the wings of a butterfly. Just look at how am I using the tip of the qalam, drawing the wings of the letter. There is another form of the letter Ha to be used in the middle. Use half qalam and move towards right side for about two nuqtas. And then draw two semicircles under the line. The second half circle will touch the line. We will draw a short line between the two half circles with the flick of the qalam touching the line. If we are to use the letter Ha as commencing, we will draw a small rounded shape with the tip of the qalam, move a little upwards and then diagonally downwards. From here, we can connect the letter Mim and Alif. If you want to use the letter Ha in the middle, I'm drawing a diagonal line to indicate the first letter connecting with the Ha, like this. We move our qalam down and from the same point, we can connect with the letter Alif like this using full qalam. In another case, if we have to connect with the letter Ba, then here after building the letter Ha, instead of full qalam, we will simply use the tip of the qalam and connect with Ba.